Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to use Snip and Sketch. So if you go down here in the windows and you start typing in Snip and Sketch, you'll see that it comes up as an app. So it's going to open up into this window right here. It's a little big, but don't worry about that now. So what you want to do is get onto the screen that you want to snip. So I would like to snip this results here. So I'm going to open this screen and hit New. Once I do that, the screen's going to go like a little bit blank, and you see this cross T here. You're going to click and hold while dragging what you want to take a picture of. Okay, and then it shows up in a preview. And say you don't like that one, you can just do it again. So you click on it, and I want to get just a little bit closer to this box here. Click and drag and let go. And there it is. So the beautiful thing about this one is right now this is on your clipboard. So you don't have to save it or do anything with it, although you can do that. What you can do is go to the document and then File and Paste, or Control P. Where's my paste here? Sorry, Edit. And it shows right up there. Okay. If you go back to this, you can also draw on it. So if I need to highlight something, I want to look at this right here, I can draw on that. I also have an eraser so I can take away what I wanted, that type of thing. So that's available to you. The nice thing that's different than the snipping tool from Snip and Sketch is this new thing right up here at the top. So I can take a rectangular box, or if I just want a free snip, so I want to be able to highlight parts of it but not all of it, I can kind of hang on to it and grab what I want and just close it up. Okay, so you have that option there. Now, if you want to go the route of saving, that is right over here, sorry. So you can save it, and wherever you feel like saving it, I like to save things to my desktop so I know, and I'm just going to say Snip 1. And then if I go back to my document and I want to insert it, an image, upload it from the computer, and I'm going to tell it to go where I saved it. And there I have my 2 snips. So it's a really quick way if you want to grab a graphic, or if you've found something. I'm particularly using it for the Young and You activity that I've asked you to do. It just makes it a little bit easier if I can just grab results and paste it into a document. So I hope that helped. Now, I apologize, I'm not much of a Mac user. Apple and I tend to not get along, but if you are a Mac user, I did find this website here that talks about some possible options. And when I had a quick look through it, Snagit, Lightshot, Snap and Drag, they all followed about the same principle. So you have that option to get, install these on your Macs if you have them, and then just kind of click on it and put it in. So it's just a really neat way to grab only part of a screen rather than do a whole screenshot, and then really focus in on some of the graphics or just a tiny bit of results that you want. So I hope that helps, and you'll be able to use it in the future.